How to meal prep for the week. Hey everyone, welcome back to D4 Diet, your go-to channel for practical nutrition and smart living. Today's video is all about something that saves your time, money and stress. Meal prepping for the week. Whether you are trying to lose weight, save money or just eat healthier, meal prepping is a game changer. Let me show you how to do it step by step, the easy, no-fail way. Why meal prep? Let's start with why you should meal prep. Because it saves time during the week, helps you eat balanced, portion controlled meals, stops you from grabbing junk food or fast food. It also helps with weight loss or maintenance. It also saves money and reduces food waste. 1 hour on Sunday can save you hours of decision making, cooking, and temptation all week long. So, step 1 is the make a plan. Start by deciding how many meals you want to prep, just lunch and dinner, or also breakfast and snacks. Check your calendar, busy week, prep more meals. Pick 2 to 3 proteins, 2 to 3 veggies, 1 to 2 carbs, and healthy fats. Example plan include proteins, chicken breast, tofu, boiled eggs. Veggies include broccoli, carrots, and bell peppers. Carbs include brown rice, sweet potatoes, and extras include olive oil, hummus, or nuts. Then make a grocery list based on this. Now, step 2 is choose easy recipes. Keep it simple, you don't need fancy meals. Choose recipes that use overlapping ingredients, are easy to batch cook, can be stored and reheated well. Examples include a sheet pan chicken plus roasted veggies, lentil curry with rice, overnight oats with fruits, mason jar salads, boiled eggs plus hummus plus veggie sticks, snack box. Stick to 3 to 4 core recipes and rotate them. Now, step 3 is cook smart and batch. Now it's time to cook. Schedule 1 to 2 hours for this. Put on music or a podcast and make it fun. What tips include use the oven for roasting proteins and veggies at the same time. Cook rice or quinoa in bulk. Boil eggs in batches. Use large pans to stir fry or cook stews. Use a slow cooker or air fryer to save time. Let things cool before storing. Now, fourth step is store it right. Storage matters, you know that? Use BPA-free containers with tight lids. Portion each meal in advance, don't wait until you are hungry. Label with name and date. Store meals in fridge for 3 to 4 days, in freezer for up to 2 to 3 weeks. Reheat safely and avoid reheating more than once. Now move to most important bonus tips. Extra tips to make meal prep even easier. Include grab and go snacks, nuts, yogurt, fruits. Prep smoothie packs in Ziplocs. Wash and chop salads, greens for the week. Cook with spices to add variety without extra calories. And don't forget sauces or dips, including hummus and many more. Cook once, eat multiple ways. Example, roast chicken, rice bowl on 1 day, wrap on day 2, salad on day 3. So that's how you meal prep like a pro without stress, without fancy tools, and without wasting food. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button and comment below what's your go-to meal prep recipe. Stay tuned to D4 Diet where real food meets with real life. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.